If you're looking for a stocking stuffer or just a gift to use for some of the holiday games for family or for work, then check this video out. I have here a 9-in-1 multi-tool pen set that's great for office or home. So check this out. I'm going to walk through the features of this 9-in-1 multi-tool pen set. So let's take this out. So this comes with a long 9-in-1 pen, a short 6-in-1 pen, some extra refills, a battery pack, an extra battery pack, and it has 9 different functions. So let's see if I could find all of them. Here's your LED light. The batteries go inside there. It has a bubble level, a can opener. There's the retractable pen that goes in here. Right here on the other end, and then it has a ruler. So this is both a standard and metric ruler. If you open this here, let's see what's inside. You also have a stylus for this here, so you can just use this as a stylus for your tablet or phone. And then let's take a look at this other smaller pen. Again, it has a ruler, standard and metric, has a bubble level here as well, a stylus, and then a retractable pen on the other end. If we pop this open, on this side, you'll have a flathead and a Phillips screw head, and then some extra refills for pens. An extra battery set as well comes with this in this packaging. Let's open this again. I think there's a flathead and Phillips screwdriver in here as well. Yep, there you go. A neat gift item for this holiday season. Again, you can use this to give as a stocking stuffer for family, or use this as a gift item for some of the holiday games that people play, White Elephant, Secret Santa, those kind of things. Available on Amazon. Again, this is a 9-in-1 multi-tool pen set. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.